from BBM third year. Today I am here to give a summary of our Power BI session that we have done so far. So first we will understand what is Power BI. Power BI is a software which is used to collect the data from different sources and then process the data, and after that we do some visualization. Two people are benefited from Power BI. First one is owner of the business who will understand the data and take appropriate actions if necessary. Second is a marketing manager who design the campaigns and offers. Next we will understand about what is data. Data is information which can be stored, processed and analyzed. Like we have example of a bank transaction. These are the example of data, and now we will understand what is data type. Data type is a particular category to which data belongs. Okay, so this is data type. Now we will understand that we have to do a visualization in Power BI. So we have some basic steps to follow for doing visualization in our Power BI. So first step is sources of data, second is data transformation, and third is data visualization. So in sources of data we have three major sources. First source is our flat files. Under flat files we have seen Excel, CSV and JSON. And second is database. Database is a SaaS service which is used to record the data in under rows and columns. And DBMS are of three types: RDBMS, NoSQL and graph database. Now third and last source of our sources collecting for Power BI. So that is cloud. Under cloud we have Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure and Google GCS. Okay. Now we have second step. Second step is data transformation. Data transforming we check each data type of each column. Okay, and take necessary actions or change the data if required. Okay. Now our third step is data visualization. Data visualization. In data visualization we use many types of KPIs and charts to visualize our data and deep analysis, provide deep analysis of our data. Okay. Now in day one we have learned 5 major topics that we learned about. First is procurement of data. In procurement of data, we know about how to acquire and collect the data. We get to know about two important websites, that is Kaggle and data.world. Okay, and we also get to know about domains and persona. For domain, we have gone with our e-commerce, and for persona, we have gone with customer sales data. Second is our second topic is our building relationship with dataset by using Lucid chart and building ER diagram. Third is how to load data in Power BI, and also we get to know about how to transform data. Fourth is our building relationship by ER diagram in Power BI. And fifth is features of Power BI. There are 7 features of Power BI. Left side we have 4 features and right side we have 3 features. In left side we have 4 features, that is report view, table view, model view and desk view. And in right side we have 3 features, that is data visualization and filter. So that's for day 1. And in day 2 we learn about KPIs and charts. So KPI is a key performance indicator, that is a predictive value for a particular column. Okay, and a chart is a visualization of numerical value versus classification. And we all then we learn about how to create a attractive dashboard by attractive dashboard by using some options, that is format your visual. In format your visual we get to know about 2 options, that is visual and general. In visual there are 2 features and in general there are 7 features. So there are total 9 features, and we by using these 9 features we can create a attractive dashboard. Okay, and in day 3rd we also know about drill down, drill through and DAX query. So now I created this dashboard by using this all knowledge of KPIs, charts and all knowledge. So this is the healthcare data, our city hospital data, and I added 5 KPIs. First is revenue, second is annual patient, third is hospital name, and fourth is the number of beds, fifth is accreditation. Okay, so see, these KPIs are providing these types of data. Okay. Now I included 4 to 5 charts. First is revenue by state. It shows the data wise revenue generation by hospital. Now state, and revenue by speciality. Like we have some speciality by which we are generating revenue. So this data mention that. And now we have operating cost incurred by hospital. So here are the data of operating cost incurred by our hospital names, the number of beds that are available in our hospitals, our various hospitals, and annual patients in through cities, various cities. Okay, so that's for my side. At the last, I am thanking CIMAGE College to provide us this opportunity to get to knowledge about Power BI, and this is very industry based thing, and we are really get benefit from of this Power BI session. And also I am thanking to Praveen sir for giving us knowledge of Power BI in such a manner, and also Anil sir for coordinating us.